I've just been chatting to the owner of this Hillman Imperial, one of the older cars here, 1934. Absolutely fantastic. Don't think it's been restored at all, really. Very, very original. Absolutely, absolutely fantastic. Really, really lovely. Yep, like that.
You put that on, because that gets hot,
Yes, of course.
and it dries the oil inside.
Yes, just watch your footing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And he's had trouble with carburetor.
That's wonderful, isn't it?
So,
Fantastic.
yeah, he wants engine floor cleaning up here.
It's always work in progress, isn't it? They all are. They all are. Younger legs.
There we go.
Fantastic. Love this Hillman.
Oh, I mean, it's actually just right for my height. A lot of classic cars, I'm too small for them.
Yeah.
But this one,
Well, I have to have seat that far forward because I've only got short legs.
same.
John drives it, he has to shove seat back.
How fun is that?
It's nice, that, isn't it?
It's lovely and it's so comfortable.
I know.
Unbelievable.